So first, click on the Job Search Tracking Google Docs template on the page link below, and then top left, click Use this template. And while it's loading, open up your desktop and create a new folder, and call it Job Search. And then within that folder, create two more. The first one called Applications, and the second one called Documents. And then within Documents, create one more folder called Archive. And within Applications, create two more folders, Active and Archive. And these folders are where you're going to be putting all of your job documents and a record of each place that you applied to. So then go back to your Google Doc and rename it something you'll remember so that you can find it in your Drive, which you can access through your Gmail or through Google.com. So now when you start creating your general application documents, let's say you create a general cover letter, you first name it very specifically with your name, title of document, and draft number. And then you save it in a specific location in your Job Search Documents folder, not an archive, just documents. Then let's say you come back to the cover letter and update it. Again, don't overwrite the earlier file because you want to keep track of what versions are being sent. So save it instead as a newer draft number, again in your Documents folder. Then, so you don't get confused, open up your Finder window and move that earlier version, Draft 1, into the Document Archives folder. That way you'll have a record of it in case you need to roll back. And now let's say you find a job you want to apply to. So copy the URL, open up your spreadsheet, make sure you're on the Active tab at the bottom, clear out the example text, then select reference number 1 and start filling in the info. Don't delete the number 1 though, that's how you'll keep track. Paste in the web link and any other info. And then go back to your Applications folder, and under Active, because this is a new active application, create a folder and name it with the reference number and title of the job. Then, because you don't want to write over your general cover letter or CV or whatever, copy a version of your documents and then tailor them to this particular school. So go to the documents, copy what you need, and then paste them into the new job folder. And then change the name of the file to the title of the job so you can keep track of what it's for. And then start tailoring it to the Santa Fe position. Now let's say you've got all your documents done for Santa Fe and you sent them out. So open up your spreadsheet, select the whole row, cut it, and then click on the Applied tab. And then after you've cleared out the example text, paste it in the first blank row. Then if you get updates from the school, keep a record in the Notes column. And then once you've moved the row over in your spreadsheet and taken notes, you can also move that Santa Fe folder to the archives, so you'll have a record of it, but it's out of the way. And then when you need to locate it again, just find the reference number on the spreadsheet and you can locate it really quickly. That's it.